Hello everyone, Grandma and
Grandpa here.
happy Vlogmas. Today we're going to show you how we're going to do the old-fashioned way of stringing popcorn. We put 2 trees up every year, and we decided on our small artificial tree we'd like to decorate it the old-fashioned way with popcorn. So Grandpa and I are each going to be stringing popcorn. You need some type of string, but we're doing it the modern way with waxed dental floss. That's a great tip, and it's much easier to pull the popcorn through.
First, you take a string of the dental floss and 6 feet of it, cut it, knot it at the end, so you can pull the popcorn all the way through without pulling the string out of it. So we take our popcorn, put our needle through, pull it through a little bit, and we got 1 through. Take another popcorn, put our needle through the middle. Watch you don't push it through and stick your finger with it. Pull it through. And continue the process with another one. Pull it through. Now I've got 3 popcorns on my string, so I pull them down, down, and down. And I'm pulling the string through while I hold a popcorn in my hand, like so, and I've got it all the way to the end.
And you don't want to pull the popcorn too tight. You put it loosely.
Well, some of these are going to break, so we put them aside.
And people like to do this also for the birds outside. They would string popcorn and put it outside because the birds would love this.
And if you got kids, you can have the kids do this too. Make their own string of popcorn for the birds, or put it on their tree. It's a nice little project for the kids.
For the grandkids. But Grandpa and I are kids at heart, so we love to do all this type of stuff. So, see how nice the string it's coming? And some people like to use cranberries also. Instead of just all popcorn, they have cranberries and they alternate popcorn and a cranberry. Or you could do all cranberries also. That looks nice on a tree too. So these are just simple ways that they decorated trees years ago. They didn't spend a lot of money on ornaments. They would just put the popcorn on, or the cranberries, whatever they had. You can pop the popcorn if you want a few hours before you start to string it, or you could do it the day before and pop it and then string it the next day. And using the dental floss makes it glide easy. Look at yours, it's falling apart because you gotta.
I can't help it.
Well, you gotta gently put it in. You can't be rough with the popcorn. You have to treat it gently.
That was the popcorn, bad popcorn. No.
See how nice mine's coming? Look. You have to be gentle. And it works good with the dental floss. The wax dental floss, they move very nicely. And you can make these as long or as short as you like. Depends on how long you cut your string.
So this is the process we'll continue doing this until we complete our string, and we'll be back. We air popped this popcorn. It's not in any oil or butter or anything like that. We are all finished stringing our popcorn. Grandma did about 6 feet and I did 7 feet. Here they all are.
So now we're going to see how it looks on the tree and if we have to string more for the tree or not. So we'll be back. We want to show you what we made for our artificial Christmas tree that we put the popcorn garland on. We didn't want to make another cranberry garland, so I came up with the idea to make cranberry ornaments. It's very simple. All you need to make this project is embroidery thread, a needle, and a pair of scissors and some cranberries. So Grandpa's going to demonstrate how easy it is to make these cranberry ornaments.
I went and cut about 1 foot long of the thread, put the needle on it, then I got to tie the end together so it forms a knot. So when I put the cranberry on it, it'll stay there. What I do is loop it around, put the end through once, put a little bit, and put it through again so it goes through double to make a nice sized knot to hold the cranberry in place. Take my scissors, trim it a little bit, open up my cranberry bag, try to get a nice, well, size cranberry. There's a little hole on the bottom of the cranberries. So I put my point of my needle in there, try to aim it up so it comes out the other side in the middle of it. A little tough pushing, but you can see where it came out, almost to the center. Push it through. Pull it through. Got a knot. Cut my needle off. Hold about 3 fingers in my hand. Loop it around. Pull it through. Forms a knot. Pull it tight. Trim the excess off. And we have our hanger for our cranberry on our tree. Like so.
So we thought these would be so cute. Instead of having shiny little ornaments on the tree, we said this will go with our natural theme, having the popcorn. So, and these cranberry little ornaments, you can also make these, and if you have an evergreen tree outside, you can make the popcorn garland, put it around the tree, make a few of these cranberry ornaments and put them on the tree, and your nice little birds and everything will have a nice little Christmas. So now we're going to put them on the tree and we'll show you what it looks like.